Well, hello, and I really hope you're having a good weekend so far. Um, just wanted to kind of go over a few of the things that we're going to talk about on Monday. Make sure you go into your weekly module folders. Okay, go into reading, listening, and viewing. When you go into reading, listening, and viewing for week of 9/17, okay, you're going to see that this week we're going to talk about learning theory. And learning theory is very important in organizational behavior because it has to do with social cognitive theories, behavioral theories. We're going to talk a lot about that. We're going to talk about the four learning styles and their relationship to learning. And then we're going to get into some of the case studies about expert contributions on action learning. So I want you to look over these case studies before we come into class. The other one I'm going to cover, okay, we're going to talk about is expert contribution on deliberate experiential learning. And these cases are all in your book on this third component of the book. And the third is going to be David A. Kolb experience-based learning systems. Now, there are questions to be answered about that. I want to go over those case studies, but also you're going to have your first case study assignment, which is going to be due a week from Monday. That's the 24th. So you have to get together with your teams, and also you're going to be working on your projects concurrently. So you have to put the time aside to do this in teams. A lot of this course has to do with teamwork. I haven't given you an individual assignment yet, but what I do want you to know is that these case studies are put on the same type of template that you have for your project uploads and your team commitment sheets. So the only uploads that you are going to have are going to be that's for your case studies, are going to be the PowerPoints. Each person is contributing 2 PowerPoints to the presentation. And I can go over that again on Monday. However, remember that the deadline is the 17th for uploading your project proposals. I need to know the company, the area of concentration you're going to be working on. I keep drilling this in every week, okay? And also what you're going to contribute. That's your proposal. That's worth 10% of your grade. So I want you to be on top of that as well. So 3 things, okay? We're going to do the reading, listening, and viewing for the theory that we're going to be covering the first half of the class. You got your project proposal uploads, okay, in the module 3, which is the week of the 17th of September. And the third thing is the Apple case study in your book. I believe it's on page 540. We're going to talk about that as well because you have to get together with your team to discuss that and put the slides together. Okay, so that's kind of what's going to be going on for Monday. Get ready and looking forward to seeing you at 4:15.